little something. Break 'em up, break 'em up.
1995, fool. Let me set the scenery. Long Beach East side, and it seems to be getting kinda hectic. So why even trip when we dip? Cause you know we don't slip. I picked up the G's that I'm down with. Rolling in an 83 coupe and the sounds hit. Something that Glaze hooked up on a folk track. A dope beat that'll go flat. So what's to do? Picked up Dub and kicked a couple of rhymes with my old school crew. Cause no one knows what we go through. Eminem dropped a hit while we flow too. Some low ride, no school beats. Speaking on life as a G from the streets. So I threw it up while the beat was straight bumping. Just a little something, something.
Just a little something, moving in a G-ride. Get back and hitting switches. Cause we're riding and we're sliding. On the things is how we cruise. Rolling on the east side.
So we coming up the black streets and we ballin'. Peeping everywhere we look cause we crawlin'. Trying to shake the spot, so let's get with the homies in my ride. Coming up on a grip, thinking you can fake my scene. So rough, so tough with the flow, see lean on beat on deck as we step through the LBC. So fools recognize me cause ain't no way you can go with a read. Take a dip through the beach, side show, line bill. Got a little something on my chest, needs to get up. Problem solved, cause we breaking the mold. So Glaze put it down on this track. With my mind on my money, ain't no love for hood rap. So flip the script, cause you know how I'm coming. T-Dub with a little something, something.
Just a little something, moving in a G-ride. Get back and hit the switches. Cause we're riding and we're sliding. On the things is how we cruise. Rolling on the east side.
So now we rolling in an 83 coupe on D's. Like it's the thing to do, I hit the switch with ease. 230 and I'm coasting. Saw some popular skirts, hit the three-wheel motion. Dip where the Twin Oaks dwell. Couldn't find W-Dub, so I paged them on the Novotel. Homie, where you at? I'm on the east side, crawling in a caddy coupe ride. Here I come, T-Dub, let them know.
Got a year older, now I'm 24. So to lay back, so I keep it intact. Trying to stay focused, kicking the back, cause mama told me love every days like this. When you couldn't trust no one, you gotta handle your mix. So I rode with a crew. Now don't be acting like I'm so into you. Cause homie, don't front. If I'm not on the track, then the beat just don't bump. Otherwise recognize. And see how I'm coming in corners on the east side. Cause it's only right that the homies ain't playing in the year 95. So now who's front? T-Dub, LBC, a little something.
Just a little something, moving in a G-ride. Get back and hit the switches. Cause we're riding and we're sliding. On the things is how we cruise. Rolling on the east side. Just a little something, moving in a G-ride. Get back and hit the switches. Cause we're riding and we're sliding. On the things is how we cruise. Rolling on the east side.
Good time. When I was a little kid, playing in the yard, you know. It seems like yesterday I used to play around the way. Those were the good times, growing up as a child, carefree. Mama said I was wild, by 3. Even Pop showed me love, he was there. I remember hanging out, playing truth or dare. Cowboys and Indians, ring your bell and run. When the only thing we sprayed was water guns. We didn't have much, so we made the best of what we could afford, but we had love. Trying to be grown, might sneak and curse. One TV set, got to cut it on first. Back in the good times, in the Jeffersons, when your next door neighbor was your best friend. Those are the days I miss and reminisce. So I steady wish for the good times.
Times on my mind, can I rewind?
I'm thinking about the good times.
To my early days, and
On my mind,
on the
the good
road to
times.
tomorrow.
Good
Some
times.
passed away, so my
The good
future
times.
was hollow.
I'm thinking back on my history in my elementary. I wonder, do they still remember me? That little badass kid, the boy that wanted someone to help him, but they never did. So off to the office I go, you know. A problem case from the get-go. Will I ever change before it's too late? I need to study harder and get my life straight. Moms and pops praying for the best for me. I was blind and I couldn't see, but they told me friends come and go as you grow. Focus in, play to win or you will live low. So I tried to do my best, failed every test. My life was becoming a mess. Even though the past years are far behind, they in my mind, considered as a good time.